Hello, how do you buy stocks for swing trading? Well, we are going to place an order for a stock that we notice that it reached a trend line that we are targeting to buy on yesterday and went positive, and that is the daily chart. It reached that line and we saw the green bar yesterday, but was not able to purchase it yesterday. Therefore, we are going to place an order today before the markets open. If we were to buy yesterday, it's going to be around lunchtime where we actually see the bar of the day. But when we didn't buy yesterday, we will buy today, but we like to place the order before the markets open. And so we are looking here, and I'm going to click on buy. So now we have the window open for us to buy, but we are going to choose the price that we like to sell. For sure, we are going to set a limit price. And when I'm purchasing stock for swing trading, before the market open, I'm placing the request to purchase. I like to take a look at the price the market closed the day before. The price is selling after hours, which is earlier this morning. And I like to choose the lower of the two. It could purchase it for that price or may not, but I like to go with that. So we have 165 that it sold last, and we have 166. It closed yesterday at a higher price, therefore I'm going to go with 165. If it goes low like that, today is going to buy for us. Now the number of quantity, we are going to do a little calculation for that, for the number of shares we like to buy. So I'm going to lower this a little bit and see the line that is going on. So that is the trend line that we are buying it on. Keep in mind that it could fall back to this line though. We are hoping now, but when it was on that line, we see this high here around December. We are already in December. So let's see, in March we have a peak there. So if we target March to sell it for the next peak, we trade it on a short-term trend line in 2024. Those arrows at the bottom signify where we bought them, and the arrow on the top signify where we sold them. So but here, March, I'm going to compare this. The price here roughly is 166, pretty much where it is right now. So let's just say 165. So 165 compared to when it was on that line, which is 101. So it is like $60 difference. $60 difference. Keep in mind that December, around December is somewhere here though. To be more conservative, we can go with this, which is coinciding with this line. Make me wonder if it's going to try to go to that. So it's 137. So let's just say $30 difference between here and there. So $30 difference. If we take that, so we would like to aim $1,000 profit. So $30 different will be $1,000 divided by 30. So that's 33 shares. We'll need to buy 33 shares to be able to make $1,000 profit. So if we are going to buy pretty much 34 shares, we are going to take that times the price that we say 165. It is 5,610, and that's what we are going to do. So did you see how we did that calculation? Because we are going for long-term trend line, and instead of having that odd number, let's just go with 35. It was an even number, but anyway, like I'm pretty much a set of 5 type things. So but you see that the way we did the calculation, because we built it on a short-term trend line before and we didn't use that level of quantity before, we only traded $2,000 per swing trade and aim $25 profit. So we just see how much we could have purchased with $2,000 and buy that number of shares and just keep buying that number of shares throughout the year. But now that we have $5,000 to $10,000 to allocate per trade, we are taking the profit we are considering earning from it as well. So you can either take that profit into consideration when determining the number of shares you want to buy, or you can take the amount you want to allocate to the trade into consideration to determine the quantity you want to buy. But because yes, we set about 10,000 or so to allocate, but it is based on the account value. Now the cash available in the account, I want to make sure we have enough in it to keep swing trading. Therefore, if for that $1,000, $5,000 allow us that, I might decide to use the lower version rather than the higher amount, if that makes sense. So it is not like set on stone. So now that we have that and we have this, it is just one day. We'll click on review to review it. So now that we click on review, we have the transaction going. We'll place the order. So when the markets open, it will, if the price went that low, it will buy for us. In the meantime, we'll come here and we'll put an arrow there that we place an order for it. That is how you can buy stocks for swing trading. And at the same time, if you are wondering how many share of stocks to buy for swing trading, that's how we determine it. It's just not one way to do it, but there is, you know, you will take multiple things into consideration. But at the beginning, it's good to set the amount you want to spend per swing trade, and that will determine how many share of the stocks to purchase. Or you can target the minimum profit, and that will determine how many shares to purchase as well. But it's good to have a target when it comes to how much you want to allocate per trade, knowing the number of stocks you have on your watch list, to be able to have an average how long you have the stocks in your portfolio before you sell it, so that you still have some capital to keep swing trading. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. This trend line swing trading strategy is the strategy we use to make the purchase. We trace the line that we like to buy it on, and we wait it on it. When it reach it and start going up, we buy it. But again, because it passed that line a little bit, there is a chance it could try to reach the lower one, but we like to get in and see. So if it's going to the second one, we might buy more, or wait until we sell this one, or buy more when you reach the lower line as well, depending on how we, we feel about this stock. Thank you. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in asub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to save money. And this is the strategy we use during 2024. And like to now take it a little bit further, but holding on to the stocks longer in our portfolio by using a longer two-line swing trading strategy. Therefore, we like to buy more share at once, allocate more fund to it, and aim larger profits. Thank you.